Act as best scriptwriter and change the script so it won't match with original one. Make it spin the content, and remove any channel name if there. Write the description of around 8,000 words. Remove timestamps. 23. DJI Pocket. 4. New leaked. Price, features, and major upgrades you can't miss. YouTube https www.youtube.com. Watch. VSJIBSJAO transcript 0/0. In the realm of portable filmmaking, the DJI Pocket series has been a game-changer, offering creators a blend of high-quality video capture and unparalleled portability. The DJI Pocket 3 set a new standard with its one-in sensor, exceptional stabilization, and user-friendly design. Now, as whispers of the DJI Pocket 4 circulate, enthusiasts and professionals alike are eager to discover what innovations DJI has in store. DJI 28, a leap in sensor technology. The heart of any camera lies in its sensor, and the DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to feature significant advancements in this area. Building upon the one-in sensor of its predecessor, the Pocket may forth introduce a larger sensor size, potentially approaching full-frame dimensions. 47. This increase in sensor size would allow for greater light capture, enhancing low light performance and providing a shallower depth of field for that coveted cinematic bokeh effect. Such a sensor upgrade would also expand the dynamic range, enabling the camera to capture more details in both highlights and shadows. This improvement would be particularly beneficial for creators working in varied lighting conditions, ensuring consistent image quality across different environments. 12. Enhanced video capabilities. Video quality is paramount for content creators, and the DJI Pocket 4 is expected to deliver on this front. The device may support 4K video recording at up to 240 frames per second, doubling the slow-motion capabilities of the Pocket 3. This enhancement would allow for ultra-smooth slow-motion footage, ideal for capturing fast-paced action or adding dramatic effect to scenes. 138. Additionally, the Pocket 4 is anticipated to offer 10-bit color depth with D-Log-M and HDR modes. This upgrade would provide a broader color gamut and improved tonal gradation, giving creators more flexibility in post-production color grading. The increased bit depth would also reduce banding in high-contrast scenes, resulting in more professional look footage. 2. Advanced stabilization and gimbal technology. Stabilization is crucial for handheld shooting, and DJI has been at the forefront of gimbal technology. The Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a next-generation 3-axis gimbal system, offering improved stabilization over its predecessor. This enhancement would result in smoother footage even during dynamic movements or walking shots. 225. The gimbal's responsiveness may also see improvements, allowing for more precise control and smoother transitions during panning or tilting. Such advancements would be particularly beneficial for vloggers and solo shooters, enabling them to achieve cinematic shots without the need for additional equipment. Intelligent autofocus and tracking features. 246. Autofocus performance is a critical aspect of modern cameras, and the DJI Pocket 4 is expected to incorporate advanced autofocus technologies. The device may feature phase detection autofocus, PDAF, and eye-tracking autofocus, ensuring that subjects remain sharp and in focus even during movement. Furthermore, the Pocket 4 is rumored to include an enhanced active track system capable of tracking multiple subjects simultaneously and predicting their movements. 313. This improvement would be invaluable for capturing dynamic scenes or following subjects through complex environments. Audio enhancements for professional sound. Audio quality is as important as video quality, and the DJI Pocket 4 is expected to offer significant improvements in this area. The device may feature an array of built-in microphones with advanced noise reduction algorithms, ensuring clear and crisp audio capture even in challenging environments. 3.41. Additionally, the Pocket 4 could support external microphones via a dedicated input, providing creators with the flexibility to use professional-grade audio equipment. This feature would be particularly advantageous for filmmakers and content creators who require high-quality sound for their productions. Display and user interface upgrades. 04-201. The user interface plays a vital role in the overall shooting experience, and the DJI Pocket 4 is anticipated to offer several enhancements in this regard. The device may feature a larger, higher-resolution touchscreen display, providing a clearer and more detailed view of your shots. Improvements in the user interface could include a more intuitive layout, customizable settings, and faster response times, streamlining the shooting process and allowing creators to focus more on their craft. Hours 04-129. Durability and build quality for creators who take their equipment into various environments. Durability is a key consideration. The DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to feature improved build quality with enhanced weather resistance to protect against dust and moisture. Additionally, the device may incorporate a more robust design, ensuring longevity and reliability during extended use. For 4i52. These enhancements would provide peace of mind for creators working in challenging conditions. Battery life and charging. Efficiency. Extended shooting sessions require reliable battery performance, and the DJI Pocket 4 is expected to deliver in this area. The device may feature a larger battery capacity, providing longer recording times between charges. 05.15. Improvements in charging efficiency could also be on the horizon with faster charging times and the possibility of wireless charging support. These advancements would minimize downtime and keep creators focused on capturing their content. Connectivity and ecosystem integration. Seamless connectivity is essential for modern workflows, and the DJI Pocket 4 is anticipated to offer enhanced connectivity options. 540. The device may support faster Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections, facilitating quicker file transfers and remote control capabilities. Integration with DJI's ecosystem of accessories and software could also be improved, allowing for a more cohesive and streamlined user experience. This integration would enable creators to expand their creative possibilities and enhance their production workflows. 6.3. Pricing and availability. While official pricing details have yet to be announced, the DJI Pocket 4 is expected to be positioned as a premium offering in the compact camera market. The device's advanced features and capabilities may place it in a higher price bracket compared to its predecessors. Availability is anticipated to follow DJI's typical release schedule, with a Pocket 4 becoming available through official channels and authorized retailers. 0630. Early adopters may also have the opportunity to pre-order the device ahead of its official launch,